Hey friend, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can clean and print only the content you want from a website. You already know if you directly print from a website, you can see that the whole content of the page will download. Now, if you want any particular page, any particular content, you can do that. So just simply open any of the browser you have here, and here you have to search for print what you like com. You can see the current URL. Just simply go to this URL, and once the URL gets load, here you need to enter the website that you want to print. For example, here if I here write www.facebook.com. Once I do that and hit start, just wait for some time to fetch the data, and here you can see. Wait. Here you can see if I just hit start, you can directly print whatever content you want just by selecting them. And once you select the content, then just simply hit print and the content will be printed. That specific content only will be printed for you. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.